We're here in the sought-after community of North Royalton, where everything is about a half hour away. All you have to do is jump on the freeway and you're right at 71 and 77. What I love about this neighborhood is it has sidewalks that wrap all the way around. And what I love about this property is it has a fully fenced-in yard on a huge lot. This space is so great. I love a good eating kitchen, not to mention all the appliances are going to be staying, as well as a formal dining room right off the kitchen. You've got a wood-burning fireplace right here. So I just really love the layout of this home. You've got 4 bedrooms upstairs. You have 2.5 bathrooms, as well as a finished basement. And it's just got a really cozy feel. So if you're looking for your next place to call home, reach out to us today.